Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of a balanced diet for weight loss and optimal health. But before we dive in, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a balanced diet for weight loss and optimal health. First of all, what do we mean by a balanced diet? A balanced diet is one that includes a variety of different types of foods in the right proportions, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein sources, and healthy fats. Now, why is a balanced diet so important for weight loss and optimal health? Well, for one, it can help you control your weight. By including a variety of different types of foods, you're more likely to get the nutrients you need without consuming too many calories. This can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. A balanced diet can also help you feel more energized and alert. When you're eating a variety of healthy foods, your body is getting the fuel it needs to function at its best. This can help you feel more productive and focused throughout the day. But the benefits of a balanced diet don't stop there. A well-balanced diet can also help improve your overall health by reducing your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. This is because a balanced diet can help lower your blood pressure, improve your cholesterol levels, and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Now, let's talk about some specific examples of how a balanced diet can benefit your health. For weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, a balanced diet can be a powerful tool. By including a variety of healthy foods, you can help control your portion sizes and calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss. For example, let's say you're trying to lose weight and you're currently eating a lot of processed foods and sugary snacks. By switching to a balanced diet that includes more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, you can help reduce your calorie intake and lose weight in a healthy way. For optimal health. A balanced diet is also important for optimal health. For example, if you're not getting enough fruits and vegetables in your diet, you may be missing out on important vitamins and minerals that can help keep you healthy. On the other hand, if you're eating too many unhealthy foods, you may be increasing your risk of developing chronic diseases. A balanced diet can also help you maintain a healthy weight, which is important for optimal health. Being overweight or obese can increase your risk of developing a number of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By eating a well-balanced diet, you can help control your weight and reduce your risk of these diseases. So, how can you make sure you're eating a balanced diet? Here are a few tips. Include a variety of different types of foods in your diet. Aim for a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein sources, and healthy fats. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on, which can cause weight gain. Instead, aim to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are typically healthier than processed foods, which can be high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Keep an eye on portion sizes. It's important to pay attention to how much you're eating, as well as what you're eating. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you need for optimal health and weight loss. In conclusion, a balanced diet can help you control your weight, feel more energized and alert, as well as reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So make sure to start aiming for a more balanced diet. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you're inspired to start eating a more balanced diet. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.